The entry road is kind of narrow, but it's short. So you can see people coming and they can see you coming, so it's not that bad. And they got dumpsters, although they do come by and pick up your trash if you leave it out front of your campsite. They do that all day long. You just leave it there and they come by and pick it up if you happen to miss it. I think the last was 7:30. So then you can just walk over here and throw it in the dumpster. They have a lot of back-end sites. And they're over here against the river. And then you have some that aren't, that are on the opposite side. We'll show you those. And you have a little check-in area. They have inner tubes to float down the river, which is fun. And they have ice and a little store at your registration area in it. They're doing some construction. Looks like they're making maybe registration bigger, the store bigger. So hopefully by next year when we come, it'll be better or bigger. Not better, but bigger. When we checked in, they lead you to your spot and help you back into this spot. It's just kind of cool. They have a fishing pond, and if you bring your pole, I don't know if you can see that down in there, but there's very large fish, very large bass, lots of fish in here. And since we've been here, and they have a rocking recliner, picnic tables, lots and lots of shade here. But since we've been here, we're watching people fish and pulling up Nice sized bass. But lots of shade. As you can probably hear in the background, they're mowing. They really take care of it. It's really nice and very quiet. They have overflow parking down there, and the campers are backed into against the river. And should probably make note of this. They're very pet friendly. They bring, when we first pulled in and checked in, they gave Scout a dog biscuit in a bag that welcomed him, a little note, and they have cleanup stations all around the park. So if you don't bring bags, you have bags or access to bags and dump cans for it. All the sites are very nice. And again, they're all, well, I think there was a couple of pull-through sites, but for the most part, they're back in. Staff here, from the time we checked in and throughout our stay, they've been super friendly, always waving at you, asking if you need anything, and talking to you as they come by. Just very well maintained. And there are little, along the river, little steps that go down to the river. And they're scattered out throughout the park. The little walking bridge that goes across. And we'll go over there and show you that building there. But it's I watched one review, said that they didn't have real good cell service here, but they do have Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is really good. But we have AT&T, and we've been able to make phone calls, and 4 bars. Yeah, so that's pretty good. I'm not sure of the other carriers, but for AT&T and us, it works. Not that we want to use our phones, but we do from time to time. It was raining the first couple days we were here. So we used it to stream and that. Looks like they have some seasonal sites too, like people are actually parked here and have their areas landscaped. Another dog station. And you got the back end sites. The mountain back end sites. And they do have a dog park.
Kind of small.
It is a little on the small side, but nice thought. It works. I've seen dogs in there. And here's a couple of pull-through sites right next to the little pond. But they're pretty roomy. So let's walk down here. Well, maybe on the other side where he's mowing.
To go in and show them the restrooms.
Been to several campgrounds, and they're nice and people take care of them. But this is a whole nother level. And they have a woman's side and a men's side, of course. Private shower stalls. The little stools. Several restrooms. Very clean. Very nice. And they do have a playground and more seats and benches. Little game room with a change machine and some books and magazines. I'll show you this over here. One. And they have a laundry room. So someone was in there using it. That's the Mountain River Family Campground. It's very nice, very quiet, very friendly, very pet friendly, and everybody that's been staying here has been super nice. They have cornhole boards scattered out throughout with the bags. So that's nice. But we've made the loop. All the sites, I should have said that earlier, but all the sites have your typical hookups, water, sewer, 30 amp, 50 amp, and it has the 110 outlets, but no cable, which is fine. It just just gives you more time to sit around and hang out with your family or find something to do. Grandfather Mountain, we went there yesterday, and it's 19 miles or 20 miles on 19 East. And, it was a lot of fun, amazing views, and I'll post some pictures of that. But just wanted to do a quick walk around in case anybody's trying to decide whether to come here or not. It's a very quiet and very beautiful place, and we're very happy we chose to stay here for a week. All right, enjoy your stay.